Hi all, welcome to English with Steve UK and English for Ukrainians. This is the place where Ukrainians learn English, and this is part 3 for beginners. Today we're going to look at parts of speech. Knowing about parts of speech is essential before we continue to learn more about English grammar. Before we go on, let me remind you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and then you'll be able to see future videos. And if you'd like to make any comments, then please do. I'd love to see what you think about the videos. Okay, let's make a start. English grammar. We cannot learn English without learning grammar. And we cannot learn grammar without knowing what we term each of the different kinds of words in a sentence. We call these parts of speech. There are 9 parts of speech. Noun, verb, pronoun, determiner, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun. Person, animal, thing, things, car, cup, fridge, dog, Steve, man, verb, action or state, feel, run, walk, sleep, eat. Pronouns. Pronoun replaces a noun. I, you, he, she, it. Determiner introduces a noun. An, the, this, these, those. A car. A man. A banana. An apple. An egg. A man sits down. The man stands up. This car is red. That car is blue. Adjective describes a noun. Red, big, fat, Ukrainian, funny, smelly, beautiful. A beautiful woman. The woman is beautiful. Smelly. A smelly sock. The sock is smelly. Ugh. Adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Quietly, slowly, loudly, never, often. A snail moves slowly. Preposition links a word to a noun. In, down. Conjunction joins words, clauses, and sentences. A cat and a dog. Wow! Stop! No! Help me! Wow! Great! Stop! No! Help me! Hi again. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Part 4 will be available shortly. So again, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and then you'll be able to watch it. Okay, bye for now. See you later.